I can tell you this, there's no one that's going to care more, fight harder than we will. And oftentimes when we get a case and get involved in it, you know, they're at one of the worst times in their life, and to see them come out of that and to be part of this healing process and to hold others accountable for what they've done is rewarding.
I was practicing in Greenville, South Carolina after I got out of the Army in '79, and back here in May of '80, and started my office in an old building. Didn't even have a secretary. It's nice to work with people that you trust, that are honest, that are hard-working people, and that know what they're doing, and they have the same goals, which is to help people.
One of our billboards says, don't worry. It's a short, succinct phrase to say exactly that. You don't worry. You worry about getting better, and let us worry about taking care of you.
We've got over 200 years of lawyering in this group. All these lawyers are active practicing lawyers, and that's a lot different than being a professor or a judge or anything else, because these people are in the trenches and they understand the day-to-day battles that people suffer in going through injuries, and that's what this place is all about.
We've just been doing it a long time, and we're good at it. I'm not bragging, but it's what we do, and it's who we are. We help people that have problems, and we solve the problems.
My father was a lawyer back in Moncks Corner when I was a young kid, and his advice to me when I got out of law school was that you need to try and find a group of guys that really know what they're doing and that can teach you the right way. They enjoyed teaching me and have reached out to help me become a much better lawyer.
But I feel like it's not just a job, it's more of a mission. It's an opportunity to help those who really can't help themselves. And
I think because they realize that we don't think we're better than they are, that we're on parity with them. I mean, we might be a better lawyer than they are, but when it comes to being a human, I think we treat everybody like we want to be treated. And in return, they know that we care about them because we do. And we don't have to tell them we care about them, they can see it and feel it.
I really believe, you know, when I go home, I feel good about where I spend my day. I'm honored to work with the people I work with. I'm honored to represent the people I represent. There's no better way than to make a living doing things that you enjoy doing. And I know that we all share that same passion, which is to help people.